Ohio is seeing a major decrease in drug overdose deaths.
In a new report, the state is seeing nearly 10% fewer people die from substance abuse. Our Columbus Bureau reporter Morgan Trout tells us why there's been a drop.
It's been a year since.
If there was one thing I could say to her is I miss her.
And not a day goes by that Brevin Bryant doesn't think about his best friend, Kaylee Koppler.
We never went anywhere without each other.
Ashland County investigators say she overdosed with fentanyl and cocaine in her system. State health officials explain that fentanyl is 50 times stronger than heroin and is laced in just about anything illicit.
We took her life.
Koppler was one of the nearly 3,500 fentanyl-related deaths Ohio saw in 2023.
What is being done about this?
Ohio Governor Mike DeWine tried to answer that question Wednesday. He announced that the state is moving forward in combating unintentional drug overdoses. A new state report shows that 2023 had a 9% decrease in deaths compared to 2022.
There's still much work to do. But I do want to let Ohioans know that we are seeing some progress.
He credits the success to naloxone or Narcan, expansion in access to treatment, and cracking down on drug trafficking.
Last year alone, the Ohio Department of Health confirmed more than 20,000 overdoses were reversed with the naloxone obtained through our administration's Project Dawn.
Bryant says Narcan is a great start, but it isn't going to help someone who is using by themselves. And the government needs to think bigger to help.
This is taking people, depression, anxiety, price of housing, food, all these things are adding up to so much stress within people, and some people don't know how to handle it.
I asked what's being done to stop substance abuse before it starts.
And we also are helping to spread evidence-based prevention curricula in more schools across the state.
Bryant hopes that the state will continue to work to save lives so that people like Koppler can get the help that they need. At the Ohio State House, I'm Morgan Trout reporting.
And earlier this year, I reported on the opening of the WinMat in Cleveland's Gordon Square neighborhood. It's a walk-in, same-day addiction treatment clinic run by the centers. And they told me there was a big need for removing barriers to get help. So I checked back in with them today in light of Morgan's story, and they tell me that they are steadily growing, now serving more than 60 people a week, providing hope and healing. They tell me they are looking to open now a second location in the Uptown District.
A lot of people trying to help others out there.